Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to download some games from Google Play Store, but they're not visible. And to fix this problem, first let's launch a Google Play Store and actually try to find a game. We can go for Call of Duty. And as you can see, it's not available for download right here. There's also Diablo Immortal, which we can check. And it's also not available for download. Now let's go back, click on our profile picture, head on to the settings, reveal family, enter parental controls. Now in parental controls, either disable them entirely or enter apps and games. Write 1, 2, 3 and 4, that's my pin. You might have something different set, but let's click on OK. Here we are in parental controls and age allowed for apps, and we can customize it. So let's go for PG-16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back to search and try to find Call of Duty, it should be right here, as it's PG-16, and let's check the Diablo Immortal, which is also PG-16, and we can download both of the games. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.